Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix error 267 in Roblox. First, if you're using a browser, disable all extensions. I have Chrome Remote Desktop, VPNs, and ad blockers. Click Remove Chrome or just disable them. This might help. If that doesn't work, let's check the firewall. Let's try turning it off first. Go here, click this, and then OK. If that doesn't help, we can add Roblox as an exception. Go to the firewall and search for Roblox. If it's not there, add other programs. Then find Roblox in the list. Right-click and select File Location. Here's Roblox. It should be somewhere around here. This is the path to it. Copy Roblox player and paste the path here. Hit enter, select it, click open, then OK. Now check these two boxes and click OK. This should fix it. That's all for today, folks. See you later.